Have you been trying for a change in some habit or behavior of yours, but unable to do it even after multiple attempts? Does some action item appear in your New Year resolution year after year? Why does that happen? Even on matters that are very well within our control, there seems to be very less progress being made. What's stopping us? The reason is we lack the necessary willpower to embrace that change, to chase that dream, that goal. Every desire that we create, especially the ones which are challenging and that requires us to come out of our comfort zone, must pass through what I call it as the willpower test. Our mind is a very strict examiner on this matter. It can easily differentiate between what is a mere wish and what we really intend, what we really want. We can wish for anything and many things in life, but the mind is only gonna serve us the mental strength, the willpower to the ones that it gets convinced that we really, really want it, that we are deeply desiring of. It's willpower that lifts us up when we fall. It's willpower that nudges us to try again when we fail. It's willpower that shows up as courage to fight against the challenges and setbacks we face. You need willpower all through the journey, from start to finish. Psychologists and researchers who study willpower claim that people can accomplish only to the extent that they have willpower to. They also say that willpower is the last line of defense before anybody calls it a quit. Having willpower in itself is not enough. There are many other factors that come into play in anything that you are trying to accomplish and to be successful. However, in the absence of willpower, the best of strategies, the best of resources, competency, they all are wasted. You can lead a horse to the water, but you can't make it drink. Got to have the willpower. I completely agree with experts who suggest that willpower is the greatest of human strengths. And I also believe that willpower is closest to the very life force in each one of us. Keeping this force alive and kicking, it's up to us. Nourish it, strengthen it, so that it can serve us well. I wish you the best of willpower. Take care.